Hey y'all, Cvent CONNECT 2024 is right around the corner, and get ready because we're bringing the heat to San Antonio, Texas. Here's a scoop on what's in store for our third-party planners and agency partners. We're taking our annual Partner Summit to new heights this year, which kicks off on Monday, June 10th. We are leveling up the partner experience and have an exciting international keynote speaker and MC lined up. With over 20 years as a marketing and customer experience leader at companies like McDonald's, Discover, and Humana. For the first time ever, we'll be handing out Cvent Selected Partner Awards to recognize and celebrate your achievements throughout the year. We've got exclusive insights into our product roadmap and enhancements to drive planner efficiency and customer demand. And we'll be unveiling a game-changing announcement that you won't want to miss. After general session, join forces with other agency leaders and senior team members in a collaborative workshop on future-proofing your agency, tackling industry hot topics like the impact of AI on your business, managing increased client expectations, and the ongoing question of talent retention. This will be strategic brainstorming at its finest. After the workshop, we'll have two of our rockstar partners presenting case studies and sharing best practices on driving efficiencies, personalizing attendee experiences with AI, and ways to leverage integrations to differentiate your service offerings. We'll wrap up the day on a high note with a powerful closing keynote, and then head to the Innovation Pavilion for some well-deserved cocktails and networking. Because all work and no play, not at Cvent CONNECT. But wait, there's more. Beyond a partner summit, there's a ton of great content throughout the rest of the week that we've tailored for our different agency partners. So whether you're focused on providing full event management services, sourcing and site selection, or maybe you specialize in corporate travel, we've got you covered. We'll have different trainings, breakout sessions, and networking opportunities tailored to support you and your business. In addition to these curated experiences for our partners, we've also got industry-focused programming. So if you support clients in specific industries like life sciences, financial services, associations, and nonprofits, we'll have unique opportunities for you to knowledge share and build lasting relationships with professionals in those industries. Because at Cvent CONNECT, we're all about bringing people together to learn, grow, and empower you to bring more value to your clients. So buckle up, partners, because Cvent CONNECT 2024 is going to be one heck of a ride. We can't wait to see you there.